How to reset Outlook account password. So if you want to reset your Outlook account password, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then simply go for the search bar and search for Outlook. Once you've searched, go for the Outlook login, which is on the first search, and then go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And once you go for sign in, here you need to enter your email on the first blank, and then click on next, and you need to enter your password to log into your account. But if you want to reset your password, then go for forgot password, and you can simply choose any option that you can see here. So I'll be having only one option, which is my email, and then click on get code, and here you will get a code to the email address that you have just used. So simply open up your mail, and here you will get the code of password reset. So you can simply copy this code and then paste it here and click on next, and here it will take you to reset your password option. So from here you can reset your password of your Outlook. So you need to enter your new password on the first blank, and then you need to again re-enter your new password on the next blank. And once you enter your new passwords on these two blanks, you need to simply click on next, and once you click on next, your password will be changed of your Outlook. So that's how you reset or recover your password of your Outlook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.